Okay, Nick's on the other side of the camera. He told me we're good, so I'm gonna start talking. Devin Tracy, like I said, Nick's on the other side of the camera. You know, I got terrible lighting, but it's okay because I got the staged bookshelf that makes it look like I must know what I'm talking about, because we got stuff like the Tools of Titans and the Go-Giver and Principles and good books, because that means we're entrepreneurs, right? You know, I'm well dressed. This is actually from India, actually from West Bengal, because like I travel, because you know, successful life lets you travel, stuff like that. I don't know, what else can we do that's cliche, Nick?
I got it.
Yeah, Nick's got them Cadillac keys right there.
Dun,
Yep.
dun, dun.
What was the freaking point of this video, though?
Pretty sure we're talking about our services.
Okay, guys. If you don't have marketing, then your stuff that you wrote that sells stuff that would have converted great doesn't do anything. It sits there and it dies and it gets forgotten about, and it's very sad. But then, let's say that you are a fantastic marketer and you can get in front of every single person who would possibly be interested in your product, but you can't sell it. You completely flood the market and you kill your reputation like that. They're both losses, which is why Nick and I had to partner up, because I'm a copywriter and he's a marketer. So when we team up on that, I get to write the stuff that sells your customer, and he gets to put that stuff in front of your customer. And that's what Win Follow Lead does. As always, I freaking love you.